Zan called me, and we were at the very end of the park. He's on the opposite end of the park here. And Zan just found that.
Trigger fell out. It broke.
He found a magazine, and Zan found something even better.
I think it's better than my first dagger.
That is sweet. I found a nice knife down here a few minutes ago. Let's see what he has. Holy cow.
Make a great video.
You're on a roll, man.
Thank you all for coming to the second annual Get the Motor City Magnet Fishing event. We appreciate everyone that came. It's great to see how many people showed up.
Give me a break. I hate
It's going to be a really fun day. We've got magnet kits for all the kids. We've got 50 kits. It's first come, first serve, so I appreciate you guys getting in line. We also have t-shirts available. We've got sizes small for the kids, large, extra large, and 2XL. Now, throughout the day, we can spread out all the way through this whole park. But anything you guys pull out, we need to make sure goes in the yellow dumpster over there. The county has provided that for us to get rid of all the trash.
Cool. Trash bin.
Yes. No trash in the bin.
Anything in the trash bin.
That will get us in trouble.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Right around 10:30 or so, 11, I'm gonna heat up the grill and we'll have hot dogs and chips for everyone to eat. So if you guys are hungry, make sure you guys come over and grab some food. We're gonna do a little tutorial for anyone that's never really magnet fished. I know there's some new people and new faces I haven't seen before, and that's gonna help a little bit. So if you guys can't see, make sure you guys can. So this is an example of a magnet. It's a 360 magnet. Essentially, this magnet here is gonna pull in your metal. It's super strong, and it's not a toy. It can actually hurt you. The guardrail up there is magnetic. So if you get your hand pinched between that guardrail and the magnet, it's gonna hurt. So make sure you guys are all being careful when it comes to that. The parents, if your kids get their magnet stuck and you need help getting it unstuck, just wave your hand. We've got people that are gonna be out on the water in boats, and we've got other YouTube channels here that'll help you get your magnet unstuck. Last year, we had a lot of people get stuck. The side of the railing there is a seawall underneath, so make sure you guys are pulling in, try to keep it out a little bit so you guys aren't getting stuck as much, but we do have help to get you unstuck. If you are really stuck and we can't get you out, we've got people who are carrying come-alongs with us. We'll be able to ratchet it off and get your magnet back. We're not going to leave any magnets today. We'll make sure everyone gets their equipment back. So when it comes to throwing the magnet, you just want to grab about right here, take it back, and give it a toss. You would think that you have to throw it far out to find stuff, but that's just not true. A lot of people are throwing things in the water really close up to the area. A lot of the kids last year were finding more than the people that were throwing stuff all the way out. So if you can't throw super far, don't worry, you're still gonna find things. If you're in an area and you're not finding a lot of stuff, feel free to move on down the way and find another spot. This whole park has been loaded. It's been giving and giving for the past 2 years. So we're gonna have everyone come through in the line. We're gonna give out a magnet kit, the shirts, and we've also got a ton of stickers from a ton of really great YouTube channels and online people. So make sure you guys grab some stickers to show your support and check out their channels as well. They're all a huge part of why this could happen. We had over 75 donors and we're able to raise enough money to donate out 50 kits this year. So I just want to give a big round of applause for everyone that made a donation this year. So without further ado, we're gonna start moving. We'll start getting people magnets and we'll get these magnets in the water. Thank you all for coming out today. I appreciate you guys.
We are at the Detroit Kids Cleanup, giving out magnet fishing kits.
I'll send a picture of that. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm gonna go put this way safe.
We have Shane from Ohio River History here today. We have Michigan Gems, Michigan Magneto, Michigan Magnet Man. Digging with Deej is here today. We have Kathy from Poundsco Magnet Fishing here today.
Everybody in here, these are all YouTube channels. Go check them out there. All the time. Yeah, right on.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh.
You can type in dump, but you won't really find it. You have to type in like weird smells.
Okay, I'm not through there. Bunch of rusty bits and pieces. My camera turned itself off, so I didn't get the pole, but got myself a D battery here. Along with a bunch. Oh, looky here. We got a shotgun shell too. I didn't even see that. Unfired shotgun shell.
Oh, wow.
What is that? 12 gauge? 16? Got a hammer? See if it's good?
It's unfired?
Yeah, unfired. There. We have all kinds of stuff on here. Some kind of clamp, bottle tops, rusty bits and pieces, all kinds of goodies. Throw here. You got yourself a nice little fishing lure here.
Good stuff.
Little rubbery guy. We got another fishing setup right here. And a bunch of hunky chunks.
Yeah, everybody say fishing magnet. Insanity.
Hey, so everyone, Jason from the Motor City Magnet Fishers was sick, and he's one of the hosts of this, and he couldn't make it. So if we could say thank you, Jason, all at the same time, I'll send him the clip, and I'm sure he'd really appreciate that.
Okay, we'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, this is the raffle tent and the food tent. We got Shane's back there. Michigan Magnet Man over there by the grill. We got Shane over here. Hey, his hot dog going.
Time to eat a dog, man. It's time to eat a little.
Yep. They got some
Alright,
magnet
the
kits.
first thing we're going to be raffling off is this nice tool bag from Carhartt. You want to pull the first one? You three are going to pull. So pull one out. Alright, the winner is 332923. It's 332923. Going once.
One.
Okay, we're gonna pull another ticket for the Carhartt bag.
Carhartt. You want some kitty?
Yep, you can do one of the tickets.
Okay,
for the Carhartt bag, the next ticket number is 332980.
good job. Woo. There's the magnet. Hey, birthday gift. I really want this.
Sonia, you don't have no mud. Oh yeah, you do it right there.
I owe you.
Our next is gonna be for a 2,600-pound single-sided Brute Magnetics magnet. Let's go. And the number is 332970.
Oh, they go.
Looks like we got a winner coming up.
Woo! Congrats.
Perfect.
Aw.
Isn't that what we talked about when I was walking?
Yeah. I
Congratulations.
told you I was lucky.
She told me she had lucky tickets.
Okay, thank you.
What's your number? Alright, I'll put it back in the bucket.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, Mike, pick ours. Alright, the next one. What was it, 2650? For a 2600 double-sided magnet. You guys step back a little bit, Ron.
Please be me.
Pick one out.
Give it to him.
Alright, come on. The winner is 332986.
I had 8.
Got it?
See, that's karma right there.
Yeah.
Good stuff right there. You go,
Put his bucket, take it back in there and wins.
I bet you got more than
Okay, and our final
Yeah.
giveaway is for this Rogue Beast box. Would you like to pull the ticket?
You swap.
Pick a ticket, any ticket.
Come on. Come on.
332944.
All right, look at there.
Yeah, good job.
No.
444, there we go.
Now I have to do
Well, grab the other. Now we're going to do the 50-50.
410. What's the 50-50?
Depends on how much money is in there, you get 50% of it.
What's the 50-50?
So, after our donations, the winner of the 50-50 is going to get $37.
Me?
Who hasn't pulled one? Any of the other kids want to pull one? You pulled one. Want to pull one?
Hey, what's up? Hi.
I got my other hand.
And the winner of the 50-50 is 332915.
I guessed it right off the bat.
way.
There you go. Good job, Michelle. That's going to be all for the raffle. I just want to say before you guys all leave, thank you again for coming out. We got plenty more hot dogs going. We'd love to see you guys out here fishing. And we'd like to get a big group photo if everyone would like to get a group photo for the event.
I donated it.
We're going to set up. We can set
I'm
up right
gonna
on this
donate
little
that
hill over
back
here,
to 'em.
over there, and we'll go ahead and take a photo of everybody.
You want me to run down towards you and let people know?
Thank you. We just got some money donated back from Cal for the E-Course Creek cleanup. We really appreciate
No
that,
problem.
Cal. Thank you.
Humanitarian.
I know you didn't win, but it's okay.
Okay, here's Sonia here, and she pulled all that out in one pull. Look at all those fishing lures and lead.
What next
You should
time?
have seen all the line I pulled out.
Give me next.
This right here, we got ourselves, looks like someone's brand new fishing reel. Fell off the pole. Pretty sweet find. Okay, we got another throw here. We are in E-Course during the kids cleanup event down here. This is my next throw here. Got a magnet full of stuff. I'm using the Kratos 1400-pound clamp by the seawall. We got ourselves a small little bungee cord here. Throw that in the bucket. We got ourselves some fishing hooks. This is the reason why you wear gloves every time you magnet fish. Now, you notice when I pulled that fish hook off, I got myself a razor blade. Just imagine not wearing gloves and grabbing a hold of that thing. That would have hurt. We'll dispose of that properly. Plus we got a catfish bill on that throw and a bunch of hunk of chunks. Another throw here. We're pulling in. The biggest thing we gotta watch out for is the seawall right here, so don't get stuck on it. So I'm using a smaller magnet so I can go by the seawall. And on that throw there, we got another magnet full. We got catfish bell, what's left of it. We have a pair of catfish bells, which only one's left. Still works. A bunch of hooks and other pieces. Another throw down here. So we've been hanging out here at the Motor City Magnet Fishers Kids event, cleaning up the waterways, and on that throw we got a magnet full here. That is a magnet full. We have rusty bit pieces there. We have some kind of rubber thing with a screw in it, whatever that goes to. We have, if I can get it off there, nice working catfish bell. The little clip on the top rotted off, but the rest of it's good. We have another bungee cord, second one of the day. We have someone's handle of the fishing reel, kind of nice. And a bunch more hunks and chunks and hooks and all kinds of stuff in that throw. Another throw here. And we got another magnet full of stuff here. We have some kind of ring. That's a paper ring. Top of an old beer can. Got a fishing lure piece here. Rusty hunk chunks. See what we got on this row here. Pull her up here and we have, ooh, we got coinage on this thing. I got a coin. We have catfish bill here. A couple beer tops. Bud Light. Let's see what this coin is. If we can get it cleaned up enough, maybe. Otherwise, I'll have to wait till I get home, do a follow-up on it, but there's a coin right there on that magnet. It's got to be Canadian, unless it's the 1943 wheat penny. It's hard to tell what it is. We'll have to clean that up, see what kind of coin it is. Oop, dropped it. Still going on that down here in E-Course. Most of the kids all left now. Everybody done their raffle, the prizes, the food. Time for the adults to have a little fun now. And on that throw there, I got a hodgepodge of fishing line. Looks like we got nothing really in that fishing line. Got some kind of metal sinker here, right there. Beyond that, there's a bunch of rusty bits. Here we go again. That's right. Here we have much more fishing line here. A lot of fishing line. Got another sinker. We have a steel plate of some sort. Looks about it on that throw. And a beer top. A couple beer tops. GoPro, stop recording. What's up?
You need to come down here.
Why?
Guess what I found?
What?
During my live.
Drew, cool, nice. I'll be down there in a minute. Hey, Zan called me, and we were at the very end of the park. He's on the opposite end of the park here. And Zan just found that.
The trigger fell out. It broke right off.
He found himself a nice little pew-pew.
It's not super old. I'm thinking maybe black powder now. But it's split right there, and there's a name right here. No numbers.
Take a picture of it and send it to
I got video.
Jason.
There we go.
Send it to Jason. He'll know. Nice.
I sent him video.
Yeah, we can clean it up real quick and see if we can't find something on it.
Oh, it's probably be on that side. This
Yeah,
side
she's
right
gone.
here is the number. Or not the number, but
name.
the name.
Yeah.
I was thinking H&R, but no.
Look at all
I
that
see an
Sonia
SI.
makeup.
Yeah.
I'm loving it.
He's killing it with the Sony makeup.
That's real for
Nice
sure.
job.
That's the
Did
weight
you
here.
do that while you were live?
Yeah. I know.
Okay, I didn't realize my phone died on the last row here. So I pulled this up, and I actually have, if you can see it on there, I actually got a copper penny stuck to the magnet. So it probably got stuck in with something else. We were just talking about coins and all that, they're magnetic or not. And fortunately we got a penny on here. Let's get it off of here. I think it got stuck underneath some other metal. Yep, that's what happens, not magnetic.
Oh, okay.
It is a US penny, and it is, looks like a 1997 US penny. Pretty sweet. Oh, we're still down here. We're still going at it. Think about moving to a different location. A few more throws here. See what else we can find. So I'm using the small 1,400-pound Kratos Magnetics clamp magnet so I can go alongside the seawall. If I use my 360, it'll be stuck to the seawall every throw. And that throw there, a bunch of rusty bits and pieces. And we got ourselves, looks like a Christmas bell. Probably used for catfishing. Really big find down here. I'm getting the hook out for. It's actually on my magnet, and you'll see off the wall right now. So I gotta get the hook out because it's so big, I don't want to lose it. So let's see if we can get this thing out of the water.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, I need some slack there on that rope if you can.
How much slack?
We're
There should be
gonna
enough
try to
in
get
there.
that. Yeah, it should be. I got it right up on the wall.
Okay, you want me to pull one?
Oh, I'm gonna see if I can get it out first. Took Shane from Ohio River History, Tanner from Michigan Magnet Man, but we did get it out. There's that bench right there. That thing is god awful heavy, but we got her out. She's on the other side of this fence. Let's get down here and see what he found. He found a magazine, and Zan found something even better.
I think it's better than my first dagger.
That is sweet.
That is awesome. Nice catch.
Sorry about the wind noise. Change locations here. I just got myself a big heavy find.
Oh, you need to give that guy all those weights.
Ooh,
Whoa!
that's what I just pulled out.
Holy crap!
Big old cable.
Bam!
With all kinds of stuff on there. Okay, Zan just said he has something down here coming up in all the water. See what he found. He found a nice knife down here a few minutes ago. Let's see what he has.
That's a Ruger.
Holy cow.
That is definitely a Ruger. There's a magnet. It's a 22, not a 9.
Come on, you gotta cut.
Okay, come here.
That will make a great video.
You're on a roll, man.
Go straight down.
Found.
Straight down.
Yeah?
Because I couldn't get straight down. So I'd say, hey, maybe you can try.
Got a mag in it.
It's a 22.
Not
Leave her
bad.
up.
Take a look at that.
Fancy one.
Man's on a roll.
Straight down.
Yes, he is.
This is